you go. Oh, you know how I've been living.
Hey everybody, it's your girl Niarah. Welcome back to my channel. I'm coming back to you with another video. So today we're going to talk a little bit about this hair. We're going to get into this hair. Now you're probably like, girl, you had that wig on for the past 3 or 4 videos. You're right, I did, because you know I spend my own money on these wigs. You know they're not sending these to me yet. I'll be there soon, but they're not sending these to me, so I gotta, you know, test it out before I give you guys the tea on it. Okay, so this is my Unice curly V-part wig. This is a 24-inch wig. It's like boob length pretty much. Y'all can hear my chair squeaking, sorry. So this is the curly V-part wig. Now I love this wig. This wig is a little bit different because instead of a U part, yes, I said V part. So you can just think of the letter and kind of, you know, think about the difference in like this little leave out part. I really like the V part a little bit better because it's way easier to cover up like the leave out back there. Like you don't have to leave out much to kind of cover up these wefts. So I really like that. So you may have noticed I didn't mention like a nationality. I didn't say like Brazilian curly or Peruvian curly. That's because they didn't mention it, and I'm gonna just kind of assume that it's Brazilian because I feel like all hair is Brazilian anyway, and they just like throw these different nationalities on there just to be fancy. But we'll see. They claim that you don't have to leave hair out. I personally want a little bit of leave out. I tried the like no hair left out method. It was kind of giving like Moses parting the Red Sea, like that was, you know, that big part. Y'all know what I mean. You've seen the girls with the big old parts. I personally do not like that look, so I decided to put just a little bit of leave out, just a little bit. It's really not much, and to hide it I just kind of like twisted it under the wig. So I made like a little twisty down here, and like I just twisted my real hair and the hair on the wig, and it blends pretty well. So this is what it looks like freshly washed. It has a really nice like curly pattern. It's kind of a loose pattern, so if you have kinkier hair like me, if you're like a type 4 girl, you can try to blend it, but I didn't even I did the little twist method, and it's working, so I'm gonna stick with it. I'm gonna stick beside it. Am I looking good? I am. Hey everybody. Okay. Hey everybody, it's your girl Niarah. Welcome back to my channel. I'm coming back to you with another video. So today we're going to talk a little bit about this hair. We're going to get into this hair. Now you're probably like, girl, you had that wig on for the past 3 or 4 videos. You're right, I did, because you know I spend my own money on these wigs. You know they're not sending these to me yet. I'll be there soon, but they're not sending these to me, so I gotta, you know, test it out before I give you guys the tea on it. Okay, so this is my Unice curly V-part wig. This is a 24-inch wig. Now there are some like combs, and there is some, of course, the stretchy material in the back where you can like adjust it. So this is an adjustable wig. I think it's very well made and very well constructed. Usually I feel like when we get wigs online, it's kind of like a 50-50. Like sometimes you hit the jackpot, sometimes they're way too small. You know, the lace is like cheap and not sturdy. The hardware on it is like too hard for your head. But this wig in particular is really constructed very well. I am not mad at this at all. It says the average size, it says it fits the average size for heads, so 54 to 58 centimeters. I personally feel like, I never measured my head, but I feel like my head is probably like 60 inches. That's just how I feel, because like I said, my head is large, and this fits perfectly. There really isn't a need to have a wig cap under, especially because you know you have that leave out right there, but it's on a very breathable cap. So the hair is, you know, you see this like really pretty curly pattern. It's pretty loose. I wash it about every week. This is like right after a wash. I wash it like once or twice a week. Put some leave-in conditioner on it because it will get nappy on you. But that's just, you know, that's all curly hair, but it will get nappy on you back here, you know. So you want to make sure that you're like not sleeping in this or not rubbing this against like fabric and stuff, because it will like get frizzy on you and get matted. Now this is the first wig that I've ever bought from Unice or Unice. I'm gonna learn one day how to pronounce that name. Maybe if they send me a wig, I'll learn how to pronounce it. But this is the first wig I've ever ordered from this website. When I ordered the wig, they kept, you know, advertising to me, so I finally decided to order it. And when I ordered it, the customer service was really good. I didn't have to wait on my order confirmation email. It shipped very fast. In about 3 days it shipped out. And so I got it within, I guess, I would say about 5 days of ordering it. So I didn't have to wait, which is really important when you're ordering wigs. I feel like, you know, that I hear so many like horror stories about people waiting like a month for their wigs, and that was not the situation with this company. So I really like this wig a lot. I think I'm gonna probably order some more just because I really like the V-part technology that they got going on with these clips. The clips are perfect, they're sturdy. They go through, like I told you, my hair was thick and it goes through my hair. It doesn't snag. You know what? That's not true. It can snag. Like when you're taking it out, it can snag. But if you are gentle, of course, it won't snag. So I really love this hair. I'm gonna probably get some more once I get, you know, one day when I get paid again, I'm gonna get this hair, or I'm gonna get some more hair. Shedding. This hair does not shed a lot. It does shed. I will be, you know, I think every wig sheds. I would be lying if I've said like there's any hair that doesn't shed. Now this doesn't shed, I feel like it's kind of average shedding. It doesn't shed any more than any other hair would. But I will say when you're detangling this hair, you have to be really careful because like I said, with any curly hair, it can get matted, and when you're detangling hair will come out, like if you're kind of rough with it. So put that conditioner on it, let it sit for a little bit, kind of finger detangle it first, and then go in with your comb or your brush or whatever tool you're using to detangle this hair. All right, everybody, well, thank you so much for coming back to my channel. I hope that you like this hair if you order it, and if you already have it, let me know how you like it. If you're looking for a curly wig, or if you're looking for just a wig in general, I really like this line. I think that it's a pretty reputable company. I've seen other reviews and they all seem pretty good, and this is not sponsored. I bought this, so you can trust that I really like this wig, and I will spend my own money again to buy it. So they have several other type of like hair textures with this V-part structure. So they have a kinky straight, which I want to get next. I think I really like the kinky straight, like that natural look. They have like a balayage curly wig, so that's like the pre-dyed. It kind of has like that ombre look. They have like a wavy wig. So they have a body wave wig, they have this one, the curly, and then they also have a kinky curly. So thank you so much for coming to my channel. I hope you enjoyed this review. Let me know if you buy this wig or if you already have it, how you like it, and I'll see you next time. Bye.